Imagine handing a developer the keys to your life and only later discovering strangers walk through your house. Hi, I'm Anduin Omari, and this is Thinking Critically. We're in the middle of a trust crisis in tech. People share personal information expecting privacy, and platforms promise protection. But design choices, misaligned incentives, and hidden developer access turn that expectation into persistent vulnerability. Sometimes the harm comes from honest mistakes. Sometimes it comes from deliberate misuse. Three forces make this especially dangerous. First, human error and negligence. Code has bugs. Servers get misconfigured. Credentials leak. Those everyday failures expose sensitive files and private conversations far faster than companies admit. Disclosure timelines are often murky. Second, perverse incentives. Many products are built on data-driven business models. Every new feature becomes pressure to harvest more information, to train models, to optimize ads, or to boost engagement. When growth and monetization outpace privacy design, optional data collection quietly becomes the default. Third, hidden access and weak oversight. Developers, contractors, and third parties frequently have powerful backend privileges. If role-based controls, short-lived credentials, and auditing are not enforced, a single insider can access troves of user data with minimal traceability. Governance often lacks teeth to hold them accountable. Put those forces together and you get real harms. Identity theft, targeted manipulation, doxing, reputational damage, opaque, long-term profiling that shapes hiring, lending, and political targeting without your knowledge. Even worse are the vague incident reports and corporate apologies that erase victims' ability to understand the scope or consequences. So what should we do? Treat breaches as structural design failures, not inevitable accidents. Change the defaults so user safety comes before convenience or monetization. Platforms should collect only what is strictly necessary and delete it on a clear, short timeline. Developers and contractors should receive time-limited, narrowly scoped credentials, not broad permanent keys. Systems must produce tamper-evident logs that show who accessed what and when. Those logs should be retained long enough to investigate. Independent audits should be routine. Platforms should publish short, plain language attestation summaries that people can actually understand. Breach reports must describe what was exposed, who was affected, and what remediation steps are recommended, not legal boilerplate. Regulators should enforce penalties for negligence and create certification for products that meet strong privacy by design standards. Do not accept accidents happen as the final word. Many incidents trace back to preventable design choices and weak incentives. Fix the design, change the incentives, and you reduce the harm. What single policy or product change would make you trust tech platforms more? If this sharpened your thinking, like, subscribe and hit the bell so we can keep pushing these ideas together. Until next time, keep thinking critically. I'm Anduin Omari. See you in the next conversation.